Hello all, this is Ramu. Welcome to EduTech. In this video, we are going to discuss about LCM. Concept is very important for any subject or any topic. If you learn the concept, then the subject will be very easy. So now here we are going to learn the concept of the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of the any number. Now we will discuss by taking some examples. For example, 3 and 6. 3 and 6. What are the multiple of the 3? Multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9. These are the multiples of the 3 and 6. Common multiples. What are the common multiples here? 6 is a common multiple. Okay. And then 12 is common. 18 is common. Right. Now 24 is common. So as we write the many numbers, we'll get the many commons. Okay. So we list here what are the common multiples here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Out of these multiples, we have to take the lowest one. So which lowest one here? The 6 is the lowest one. Then we write here L. 6 is the lowest common multiple. So here LCM is 6. LCM of the 3 and 6 is 6. That means here 6 is the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. Similarly, we can write the common multiple of the any numbers. Okay, we can take the 3, 4, 5 more than two numbers and we can write the common elements. Sorry, common multiples. We have the other method to find the LCM of the any numbers. Other method to find the LCM is prime factorization. We have to take here product of the prime numbers. We have to find the prime factors of the each numbers, and then we have to take product of the prime factors, common prime factors. So now take two numbers and find the prime factors of the two numbers, 12 and 16. So first we have to find the prime factors, right? Now let's find the product of the prime factors of the 12. To find the prime factors of the 12, we need to choose the division method. So in this method, we have to take the only prime numbers. So we know that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are the prime numbers. So we start with the lowest prime number. So lowest prime number is a 2, right? So divide with the 2. So 12 is divisible by 2. Then 6 here, 2, 6 are 12. And again 2, 3 is a 6. So we got the 3 here. 3 is a prime number. We have to continue this process till we get the prime number. Now here this is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now find the prime factors of the 16. Product of the prime factors of 16. So 16 is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s. Again 2 2. So we got the 2 is a prime number. So we can write here 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? Now these two numbers are common here, 2 2, and these two are the common here. Now we have to take the common numbers. Okay, so LCM is equal to, first take the common numbers. So first take the common numbers. 2 is common, then 2, and then write the common number of second common number. Now here write the remaining numbers. Okay, which are the non-common numbers? 3 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, and then 2 3s are 6, and now 2 is remaining. So 4 6 are 24, and into 2 48. So 48 is a LCM of these two numbers. So this is one of the method to find the LCM of the any numbers. We have the other method to find the LCM of the any numbers. We have the one more method to find the LCM of the number. In that method, we have to find the product of the prime factors together. For example, 108 and 328. So 108 and 328. Now we have to choose a number which is divide these two number commonly. Okay, a number which is divide these two number common, that is a prime number. So we know that 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 can divide these two number, right? Now here 2 to 54, to 1, to 6 and to 4, 164. Okay, again with the 2, because these two number divisible by 2, so 2 27, and then here 8, 2. Now here this number is divisible by 3 and this number is divisible by 2. Okay, this number is divisible by 2 and this number is divisible by 3. If there is no common factor between these two numbers, then we can stop the process. And now we have to multiple what we got the remaining result. Okay, now 2 into 27 into 82. So 2 2s are 4 into 27 into 82, 8856. This is the LCM of the 108 and 328. Now take the one more example by taking the three numbers 108, 54 and 144. So 8, 4 and 4. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Now take 2. So 2 divides 108 and result will be 54. Similarly, this is a 27, comma, and this number is 72. Okay. Now these numbers divisible by 3 and this divisible by 2. So we can take the 2. We have to choose a number which is exactly divide the any two numbers. So if you take the 2 can exactly divide 54 and 72, right? So we can take the 2 here. So 54 by 2 is 27 and 27 we cannot divide it, no problem. And now here 72, 36. Now here this number and this number and this number can divide by 3. So 27 can divisible by 3 and this number is divisible by 3. So 3 9s are 3 9s are 3 12s. Okay, again 3 3s 3 3s 3 4s. Now again 3. Okay, 3 1 3 1s and 4 we can write as a 2 2. Okay, now these are the prime factors of the common prime factors of these three numbers. Now here these two are together, these two together, these two together. 2 2s are 4 into 3 3s are 9 into 3 2s are 6 and the remaining 2 into 2. Right? 4 9s are 36 and then into 12. This equal to 432. So 432 is a LCM of these three numbers. I think you understand the concept and the method of the finding LCM. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.